1. Act like your 8-year-old self is watching you. When your child starts behave, how would you spend your time? Would you just sit on your phone, or would you be a star in front of them? I feel performative in the best way when I do this, because it directs me to act with real intention. It's harder to drift aimlessly when you picture your younger self is watching you. 2. Only hang out with people that make you feel good. Only hang out with people that genuinely make you feel like yourself. Because the belonging that comes through your authenticity is the love worth having, and the only love that will expand your love. Notice how you feel after each interaction, and make space for friends you want to grow with. 3. Meditate with your inner star about your purpose. Understand the meaning and importance of it to you, and hold on to it. Reflect inward on why you're doing this to begin with. What is your value system, and what got you to this point? It is the current step to the next level that isn't distracting but attracting your future. You really want this, and you gotta remember the importance of it. 4. Tell someone what you truly want. Don't hold back. Say your goal or dream aloud to someone, even if they don't understand or believe you. It should sound crazy, because what you truly want doesn't exist yet or hasn't happened yet, and you should be okay with that. You are in the process of creating your own extraordinary path, which needs that energy. Speaking it out loud creates clarity, accountability, and strengthens your confidence to your own vision. Real fucking swag when it all happens. 5. Act on your instinct when it comes. Acting on your intuition and instinct will strengthen your flow, self-trust, and expression. The instinct or thought that arises is a sign to begin, and you need to realize the most difficult thing to do is actually just to start. Once you begin, you will enter the meaning and experience behind your instinct. Every time you don't act on it, you use your imagination and energy toward it, but make it less stimulating and create distance by not engaging with it. 6. Improve your communication and articulation skills. Your inner star will awake by being able to evoke its emotions, experiences, and understandings. Be able to relay complex information in a simple way. Make your unique experience and information make sense. Record yourself speaking for 5 minutes, watch the video the next day, and write down what you want to change. Thank you for watching. See you soon.